Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That's dependent upon where you have joined this video from. My name is Maxwell. That's my picture on the screen. Today I want to discuss, because of the questions I've been asked on my LinkedIn, someone sought to find out from me how he can secure sponsorship, or if you like, free, how he can get access or have access to free courses that can teach him tech skills. So, and this is the purpose of this particular video. Please, if this is the first time you have encountered my channel, I'd like you to please support this channel because it is designed to helping people to learn new skills in tech, in technology, engineering, education, and all aspects of human life, and will make their life better. So come along with me while we go over to some of the few tips that will help you, secure free trainings that can teach you tech skills. So one of the huge platforms that I have used several and I've recommended to people is Coursera platform. So this is Coursera. Go over to Coursera, click on it, and as you can see here, this is the first link. Let me see. Let's be sure that this is Coursera. I'm rather going to not take the first link and take this one that says Coursera. As you can see, it's an American global massive open online course provider, which was founded in 2012 by Stanford University computer science professor Andrew and the theme. So, not to bore you on that, let's go over to Coursera. I would like to inform you that I have an account that I've already set up with Coursera, which means that if you do not have such an account, you will need to create one. And I think at this point here, where you have login, it's more likely to show you register or something that has to do with creating a new account. For me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to click on it. As you can see, I'm going to join with my already existing account, which is what you see that I have selected. You only need to wait a few seconds so that it will take you all the way in. So now we're in. As you can see, this MM is pointing to the fact that that is my name. I already told you that my name is Maxwell. Now there are a lot of courses that you can see you can have access to on this space. Let's pick one for instance and see if there is a sponsorship available. It will tell us, and then we'll click on it and see how that can be done. Let's say business analytics. I do not know whether this has a sponsorship. Let's check it out. So I click on business analytics. It's as simple as that. If you do not right away see the course or the skills that you're interested in, you only simply need to come to the search bar. Let me go back and show that to you. This is the search bar. Is asking, what do you want to learn? Let's say I want to learn monitoring. Let's see if they have monitoring and evaluation. So I'll type that there and search to see if there is such a course. Okay, this one says project monitoring and control. Let's see if they have something better than this. Alright. Okay. Now they may not have exactly what I typed in, but let's see if any one of these ones. Any one of these ones might be interesting to me. Let's say organizational analysis. Okay, so we click on that and wait. Then it takes us in. So you can see there are 11 modules, and as you can see here, it says financial aid available. That's very simple. So let's say before we get deep down into that, we can see that there are 11 modules. Module 1 is the introduction to this course. Module 2 is decisions by rational and rule-based procedures. Organized anarchy, decision by dominant coalitions, organizational culture, sources dependency theory, networks, institutional theory, and so on and so forth. And we're told also that it's about approximately 25 hours course, and 95% of the people who took this course indicated that they liked the course. So, and as you can see, financial aid is available. See that? Now, that is for that. Let's go back to something on analytics. Let's see data. Maybe data engineering. Let's see that. Okay, IPM data engineering. So you can see this one. Let's check this one out. Maybe there is financial aid. Maybe there is not. We'll be able to know if there is. So you can see now for this one, there is financial aid also available, and this is just a 6 months flexible course of 10 hours a week, and you'll be able to do away with it. 16 course series are under it. So for the financial availability, you will not click on this enroll for free, because if you do that, that may be a problem for you. But you start by clicking on financial aid available. So, and if you open to you, you said the original price is $49, and so plus one introduction to data engineering. If you are interested in that, you go to click on next. Note that you cannot apply for financial aid for all the 16 courses under this particular certificate. What you need to do is that you apply for financial aid course by course, and to the best of my knowledge, you need about 2 weeks for them to approve your sponsorship application. Then immediately they approve the first one, you can now apply for the second one, so that while you take 2 weeks to go through the first, then by that time you probably would have also approved the second. That's how you keep applying up until you complete the entire training. So the first course here has already been selected. Click on next. Now it's asking you here, application can take up to 16 days, as I've already told you, to be reviewed. If approved, you will be eligible to receive 90% off of the regular price. This is what this one is saying. Then you now click on continue to the application. Right? And then you wait. Then it brings you here. You tell them what is your maximum, your education. What is it? Is it a first degree? Click on this drop down. Tell them maybe it's high school, or it's a first degree, or a master's, or a PhD, and so on and so forth. What is your annual income? If you can state what your annual income is here, and then express that in currency, maybe in your country's currency, or maybe you can just use the US dollar to express that. Then what is your employment status? They want to know whether you're working full time, or you are unemployed, or a student, and so on and so forth. So then this is the area where you come to write. Okay, this is where you write the reason why you are applying for this financial aid. You can tell them it's because your economic situation on a personal basis is not something to write home about, so you will not be able to fund the course. That's the reason why you are applying for it. Okay, so after you click on that, let's say this is what I have written, then you click on this, and then you get to next, and your application should be at least 150 words. At some point, they will ask you how much can you pay for your selected course. You can just go ahead and put 0. And then you come in here again and type, how will your selected course help with your goals? There you also write something convincing and beautiful. And then you check on all these, click on all these check boxes. Then upon this place, you type that you type your name here, and then you indicate I am not a robot. And then you click review. After it's reviewed, I'm sure it's going to show you submit, and then you click on submit. At that point, you receive an email in your inbox telling you that you have applied for financial aid. Then they will tell you how long it take for them to view your case. And then if you are lucky, after 2 weeks, you will be issued free training. So this is how you apply for this financial aid. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up in the comment section of this video, as well as leave me a good comment, or you can ask me any question that you on any topic that relates to what I've just said, if you need further clarification. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you on my next video. Shalom.